Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how the roaming profile is configured if you have users working in roaming and you want to organize their folders and keep track of these users. So let's see how we do that. So first of all, we go to our server manager and then we go to tools and then we go to users and computers and we go to our server here or our domain. So right click on the domain and then go to new and then go to organizational unit. So let's create a new OU for our roaming users and check this one and give it a name as roaming users or roaming profiles. Let's call it roaming profiles. Okay, so once in, let's create a security group for our users. You can go to new and then you go to group here and you create security group. Let's call it as well as roaming profile. Okay, make sure the group scope is global and the group type is security, and then click on OK, and then you can create as many as user you want or you have in the roaming working. I'm just going to create one user in terms of demonstration. Okay, so we go to new and then we go to users and let's call this user roaming user. Okay, and then let's call it our user. Okay, next, and give it a password. And check that the user must change their password once logged in. Okay, and then finish. Right, and then we need to add all our users in our security group. In terms of demonstration, I'm going to show you how to add this user inside this security group. So you can right click on this security group, double click on the security group, or you can right click and go to properties as well. So you go to members and then you add all the members that you want. So we have our user. Okay, and then you click OK and then you click apply, and then our user is inside this security group. Okay, so now let's create the file for this, or the folder, for this user. So we go to this PC and then home directories that we have created earlier, and next to home folder let's create a new folder and we call it profiles. Okay, let's do some configuration for this folder. Let's first share this folder in the network. So we go to sharing and then advanced sharing and then share this folder, and we add a $sign to hide this folder in the network. And we go to permissions and give full control for everyone, and make sure you hit apply and then OK, and then apply and then OK. And then we go to security and we highlight our users here, and let's do some advanced techniques. So the first one is to disable the inheritance. So we need to disable the inheritance, and then we remove the last other users. Okay, remove them, and then we need to add our security group for the roaming profiles in the permission entries here. So click on add and then click on select principal and then write roaming here or just initial letters, and then you will have the roaming security group here highlighted, and then add it, click OK. Okay, and then let's change the permissions here, so it is applied for this folder, subfolders and files. We need it just to apply for just this folder. Okay, and then we need to show advanced permissions to give me more permissions to check for this security group. Let's check the create files and create folders. Okay, and then once here click OK, and then here click apply, and then OK, and then let's go to sharing and take the network path here. Okay, and then let's close it. Let's go back to my user. Okay, and we go to profile, and here inside profile path, let's give it the network path of the profile folder, and then we add the backslash and double percentage sign, and inside them let's write user name. Once you hit apply, it should convert to the user name here. Okay, as you can see, it converted to our user, and then you click OK, and it should be okay now. So let's turn on our client, and we see once we okay, let me show you something first. So if you go inside this profile, we don't have any folder, a specific folder for any user, right? So once we our roaming user access or log on the domain, an automatic folder will be created for this user. Okay, so roaming user, and let's provide this. So once here, so you see, once the user is logged on, we have new folder for this our user, okay, with a version. Right, this is it for the roaming user. I hope this will be helpful for you, and let me see you in the next video for configuration of the DHCP and the DNS.